Racing gas is started. We have medals time. Balubaran Sprite is done on the inside. Councilor Friendly Fire. Then followed over by Speed Admiral. Moving up now on the outside is Carry Over. Next on land is Perfect Pies. Valentine Rose. Angelic Boys. Fabiola while Rising Star is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have medals time. Friendly Fire is on the outside. Length further back in third comes Perfect Pass. Councilor is racing in fourth. Carry over. Then comes Angelic Boys. Valentine Rose in the middle portion. Then next on land is Speed Admiral. Rising Star. Balubaran's Pride. While Fabiola now racing in 11th. Back to the leader. We have Friendly Fire. Perfect Pass is on the outside second. Carry over is racing in third. Down in fourth is Councilor Valentine Rose. Speed Admiral likewise now arriving at the scene. Angelic Boys. Rising Star is down on the inside. Then comes medals time. Balubaran's Pride. While Fabiola is still racing in 11th. Last 400 meters of the race. We have Perfect Pass by our head. Moving up now on the outside is Carry Over. And as they swing for home, we have Carry Over and Perfect Pass are paddy route for the lead. Carry Over now takes command by about half length. Perfect Pass fighting back down on the inside. And on the outside is Speed Admiral. Last 75 meters. Carry Over, Speed Admiral, Perfect Pass. And finally it's going to be Carry Over. Speed Admiral, Perfect Pass, Councilor Valentine Rose, and Rising Star for your Super 6.
8472511.
May bukas.